Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine. Welcome to online class of English B. Today we are going to learn about articles. There are three articles: a, an, the. A and an are indefinite articles and the is definite article. Now let's learn the use of these articles. A. A is used in front of singular countable nouns, a person, animal or thing which are not specific. For example, we can use it as a dog, a bed, a fridge, a spoon, a table, a chair. These are countable and not specific nouns. We can't use a before uncountable and plural nouns. This will be wrong to say our dogs or our water. The third point is if a noun starts with a consonant sound, a comes before that noun. For example, a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor, a house, a bike, a boy, a table. Now let's learn the use of an. An is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific, and we don't use an before uncountable and plural nouns. These rules are the same as with the use of a. And the third point is if the noun starts with a vowel sound and comes before them. For example, an apple, an egg, an ant, an orange, an hour, an aunt, an old man, an uncle. Let's learn the use of the. We use the in front of all nouns. It doesn't matter whether they are singular, plural, countable or uncountable nouns to describe someone or something specific or unique. For example, the earth, the world, the air, the weather, the moon, the president, the CEO, the sun. These are something very special or specific things. So we use the before them. And students, in the use of indefinite articles, I want to discuss these 2 points. Let's focus them. Use a before words, letters, numbers which sound like they begin with consonant, even if the first letter is a vowel. And second one is use an before words, letters, numbers which sound like they start with a vowel, even if the first letter is a consonant. Means that we are not going to focus on the letter from which letter the word is starting. We are going to focus on the sound, that which sound it is delivering. For example, a euro. Here the first letter is vowel, but the sound is consonant. In the same way, in university is giving consonant sound, so that's why we are using a. In the same way, one is giving consonant sound, that's why we are using a before one. And in the use of an, again we will focus on the vowel sound. Our, here h is silent and the word is giving vowel sound, our, so that's why we are using an. And in f is giving the sound which is vowel, that's why we are using an. And in the same way, an it is also starting from vowel sound. So students, I hope you have understood today's lesson. Now try to understand its idea and its use and solve the given worksheet. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.